Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix videos buffering on the YouTube app. To do that is really simple, and I will show you some solutions that may help you to fix that problem. So the first thing is to check your internet connection, and you have to go to settings and after that go to cellular, scroll down and go here and click on show all and look for YouTube, and be sure here that WLAN and cellular data are the options checked on the YouTube application here. Why? Because if you put only WLAN, that means the YouTube app will work only with Wi-Fi, and if it's set to off, that means the YouTube app will not use any internet connection. So you have to be sure that WLAN and cellular data are checked. The second solution, if your internet is a little bit slow, you can, in that case, lower the video quality a little bit. You go to YouTube, and after that you go to the video.
Yeah.
And after that go and click on settings on the top right of the screen, and here in quality click on it and change it to data saver, or click on advanced and change it to 480 or 360, or any lower possible resolution. Of course 240 and 144 will make the picture so blurry, so no need to select them. Maybe 480 is good even for slow internet connections, or simply, like I told you, you can choose the data saver option. The second thing that you can do is just to restart your device. So just to restart your device, you know how to restart your device and check it. If not, restart the YouTube app, and to restart it on iPhones you have just to swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and after that swipe up the YouTube app. Sometimes this can fix the problem, and open the app again. And also another thing that you can do is to look if there is any update for the YouTube app, because sometimes when your app is outdated, that will prevent it from working properly. So you have just to go and look for YouTube and go to it. As you can see, for me it show me open button. If it show you update button, that means you need to update the app, and if you update the app you have to restart your device. Just restart your device to be sure that everything is working properly. And another thing that we can do is just to disable any VPN or proxy if you are using a VPN or proxy on your device, because VPN or proxy sometimes also make the app work slowly a little bit. And to turn off the proxy or the Wi-Fi proxy or the VPN, you have just to turn it off from the application that you are using. Another thing that you can do is to disable data saver or battery saver options. So for this you have just to go to settings, and after that go to battery, and be sure that you didn't put it on low power mode. Your phone is not on low power mode. Another thing, if those didn't want to work, you can reinstall the YouTube application. And to reinstall it, you have just to go long press on it, click on remove app, and after that go to the App Store and look for it and install it again. So why this problem may happen to you? So the first thing that may cause this problem is the slow or unstable internet connection or your device. Or if you are using high video quality and your network speed is a little bit slow. Also, if you are using an old version of the YouTube app and your app is outdated. Another thing is like the VPN and proxy are just making your internet connection a little bit slower, or you are having too many apps working on the background, or there is sometimes some server issues on YouTube, and those issues may be for 30 minutes or 1 hour maximum, and the app will work fine again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.